Sama kirim Kaka. Amen.
Oh, Catherine.
Catherine.
Pray for her and that she has a safe place to sleep tonight.
What if she cries if she's not with her mom and dad?
That's why she needs to know that Jesus is looking out for her.
Why is Jesus not in her room?
Yes.
He's not, see?
What?
He's not, see?
What are we looking at?
Like, he's not in her bedroom, see?
Why, is he in here?
No.
Yeah, he is.
What are you pointing at?
No, he's not, Mom. See? He isn't. He isn't, Mom.
He actually is. You just can't see him. He's always with you.
Why is he in here?
Okay, are we going to pray for Catherine?
We already did, Catherine. Should we bring that picture of her so we can...
Sure.